Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 8th July 2021. Essence. Sweet children, no one in the world is as fortunate as you. You are Raj Rishis. You are studying Raj Yoga for the kingdom. Question. Which sanskar does the incorporeal father have that you children also imbibe at the confluence age? Answer. The incorporeal father as the sanskar of knowledge. He speaks knowledge to you and makes you pure from impure. This is why he is called the ocean of knowledge, the purifier. You children also imbibe that sanskar at this time. You say with intoxication that God is teaching you. We listen to him and then tell everyone else what he tells us. Song. At last, the day for which we had been waiting has come. The essence for dharana is: point number 1, become worthy of worship by following Srimad. Finish the bad sanskars in your soul with knowledge and yoga. Become completely viceless. Point number 2, while doing everything for the livelihood of your body, study and also teach others. Become pure with the power of yoga and claim a royal status. Today's blessing is: may you become an embodiment of the 8 powers and experience the sovereignty of the land that is free from sorrow while having the world of sorrow in front of you. Again, may you become an embodiment of the 8 powers and experience the sovereignty of the land that is free from sorrow while having the world of sorrow in front of you. It is only now that you have the knowledge of sorrow and being free from sorrow. While the world of sorrow is in front of you, constantly experience the sovereignty of the land free from sorrow. This is a sign of the children who are embodiments of the 8 powers and who are conquerors of their physical senses. It is only now that you receive all the powers from the Father. If you lose any power due to the influence of bad company or by being influenced by your physical senses, the intoxication and happiness of the land free from sorrow that you have received will then automatically be lost. You, the emperor of the land that is free from sorrow, will then become bankrupt. Slogan. Let the power of determination always be with you, and success will then be garlanded around your neck. Again, let the power of determination always be with you, and success will then be garlanded around your neck. Om Shanti.